product competition is white hot. Ordinary plastic surfaces no longer hold any room for premium pricing. Smart Surface Empowerment unlocks high product value. IMR technology uses core smart surface processes to give plastic products the dual advantages of high aesthetics and high performance. Green, low-carbon manufacturing achieves breakthroughs in both cost reduction and efficiency improvement, revolutionizing traditional processes with ultra-low VOCs, no heavy metal wastewater, low-carbon compliance, while streamlining steps and boosting mass production yield. One-stop solutions help products seize the high-end market. From customized design to volume production, full chain enablement creates differentiated core competitiveness for customers.